Hi everyone, I have some really exciting news. I can't wait to tell you. I just bought a house from Pearl Beach. During the COVID-19, me and my husband wanted to get another escape kind of place for our retirement. So this is going to be our retirement house, hopefully, and also some other people who we all deserve a break, so you can all use it. Come have a look. It's so pretty, hidden gem. Oh, look at that hidden gem. It's gorgeous. Just so nicely integrated with the whole forest. It's like, it just disappears between the forest, between the trees. Come have a look. I had this huge emotional attachment straight away to this house. It has personality, it is very unique, and just like a sculpture, really, raw sculpture waiting for me. There's so much to do here, and I know exactly where to start. Look at the palm trees, and look at this gorgeous sleeping giant here. Okay, I have to tell you, my YouTube friends, Coco Plum friends, about Pearl Beach, because this is such a gorgeous part of Central Coast. It is like a pocket right in the middle, and it's three sides surrounded by this gorgeous forest. And the fourth side is beach, and you have to see the beach. It is so pretty. You can actually hear the sound of the beach here, and the birds and the forest. This is like heaven.